Hey guys, I welcome you to Knowledgeist. So, जैसे कि हमने previous Sunday भी discussion किया था, likewise today we will discuss the weekly vocabs of the Hindu editorial. So let's get started. हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए आप Telegram के जो Knowledgeist group है वहाँ पे जुड़ जाएं, जहाँ की आपको हर तरह की पीडीएफ स्टडी मटेरियल्स और जो भी लाइव क्लासेस होती हैं उनकी शेड्यूल्स पता चल जाएंगी और क्लासेस जानने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. So let's get started with the first word. First word is peninsula. Peninsula, it's a noun. It means an area of land that is almost surrounded by water. Means a landmass projecting into a body of water. जो भी landmass जो कि water में projected है. So the synonyms for peninsula will be half island, cape and foreland. Then the next word is torrential. Torrential is an adjective. इसका मतलब very great in amount. मतलब भारी भरकम या फिर मूसलाधार बारिश होना या फिर कुछ भी जो कि it means in a very great in amount which falls in a rapid and in copious quantities. So the synonyms for torrential will be copious, relentless, violent and rapid, while the antonyms will be sparse, scanty and deficient. Then the next word is aerosol. Aerosol is a noun. It means a container in which a liquid substance is kept under pressure. जो भी मतलब a liquid substance जहाँ की एक कंटेनर में मतलब उसे प्रेशर देके उसमें रखी जाती हो तो उसे क्या कहते हैं, उस चीज को हम एरोसोल कहते हैं. व्हेन यू प्रेस ए बटन द लिक्विड कम्स आउट इन ए फाइन स्प्रे. मतलब आप जब वो बटन दबाओगे तो फिर वो क्या एक स्प्रे के हिसाब से वो लिक्विड धीरे से बाहर आ जाएंगे. सो द सिनोनिम्स फॉर एरोसोल्स विल बी स्प्रिंकलर, ड्रिजलर, स्प्रेयर. जो भी आप स्प्रे करते हो, रूम स्प्रेयर हो, डिओड्रेंट्स हो, जो भी ड्रिजलर्स हैं, स्प्रिंकलर्स हैं, दैट दोज ऑल आर examples of aerosols. And the antonyms will be refine, dry and explicate. Then the next word is inevitable. Inevitable is an adjective. It means that cannot be avoided or prevented from happening. Something, as we know that death is inevitable, means we can't avoid death, we can't prevent from death, we can't escape from death. So the synonyms for inevitable will be unavoidable, inescapable and predestined. Then the antonyms for inevitable will be avoidable and uncertain. इसका opposite है जो कि avoid की जा सकती है, जो कि uncertain है. Then the next word is thrive. Thrive is a verb. It means to grow or develop well. Then the next word is so the synonyms for thrive will be flourish, prosper, blossom and develop, while the antonyms will be decline, diminish, droop and decay. Then the next word is ambiguity. Ambiguity is a noun. So the possibility of being understood in more than one way. मतलब आप अनिश्चितता, ठीक है, आप मतलब आप क्या मतलब आप you are means something that is uncertainty about, okay, something which is where there is a possibility of being understood in more than one way. Then the synonyms for ambiguity will be vagueness, uncertainty and equivocation, while the antonyms will be ambiguousness and transparency. Then the next word is spook. Spook is a verb. It means frighten, unnerve, afraid. The synonyms for spook will be scare, afraid, fright, while the antonyms will be calm, delight, soothe and comfort. Then the next word is anonymity. Anonymity is a noun. It means a situation where a person's name is where a person's name is unknown to us, where the name is not known. So the synonyms for anonymity will be obscurity, secrecy, impartiality, and the antonyms will be recognition, prominence, renown, and repute. Then the next word is notwithstanding. It's a preposition and it means in spite of something, means तथापि मतलब किसी भी चीज के बदले में, in spite of something. So let's move to the next page. So the first word is helm. It's a noun. It means the part of a boat or ship that is used to guide it. मतलब जो भी बोट या सीप का जो भी हैंडल रहता है या फिर व्हील जो हम जो स्टीयर करते हैं, जैसे कि कार में स्टीयरिंग रहता है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? हेल्म मीन समथिंग जो कि संचालन करता है, जो कि आगे बढ़ाता है. ओके, समथिंग दैट लीड्स फॉरवर्ड. So the synonyms for helm will be managing, supervising and leading, while the antonyms will be get off and disembark. Then the next word is ramifications, which is a noun. TION है तो आपको पता चल गई होंगी कि ये नाउन के हिसाब से ही यूज हुआ होगा. So it means असर, किसी भी चीज का असर होना. So one of the many complicated or unexpected result of an action or decision, किसी भी मतलब किसी भी एक्शन या फिर डिसीजन का जो मतलब एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड या अनएक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट आता है या फिर हमें जो असर करता है, दैट इज रेमिफिकेशन. सो द synonyms for ramifications will be consequences, outcome, effect and result, while the antonyms will be partition, bifurcation and precipitate. Then the next word is pitfall. Pitfall is a noun. It means a danger or difficulty, स्पेशली वन दैट इज हिडन और नॉट ऑब्वियस, जो कि आपको पता नहीं चल रही है. जो भी डेंजर है या डिफिकल्टी है वो हिडन है या फिर ऑब्वियस नहीं है. आप यू आर नॉट श्योर, यू आर नॉट सर्टन, something that is uncertain. Okay, then so the synonyms for pitfall will be hazard, danger, difficulty, while the antonyms will be benefit, advantage, blessing, कॉन्वीनियंस. मीन्स जो भी आपको यहाँ पे क्या हो रही है, आपको डिफिकल्टी पैदा हो रही है इन पिटफॉल, व्हाइल द एंटोनिम्स विल बी यू आर गेटिंग बेनिफिटेड, यू आर बीइंग ब्लेस्ड, you are in a convenient situation. The next word is push over. Push over is a noun. It means a person who is easy to persuade to do something. आप किसी भी चीज, किसी भी लोग को क्या कर रहे हो, आप easily persuade कर रहे हो किसी भी काम करने के लिए. Then the next word is defection. TION है, so it will be used as a noun. It means in politics, a defector is a person who gives up allegiance to one state in exchange of allegiance to another. मतलब दल बदल करना. Okay, changing the party is called as defection. So the synonyms will be desertion, absconding, betrayal. मतलब betray कर रहे हो किसी भी दल को और आप जाके क्या कर रहे हो, आप मिल जा रहे हो वो जो मतलब opposition party में आप जाके मिल जाना is called defection. Then the antonyms will be substitution, supply, adherence. Then the next word is baton. It's a noun. It means to stick, a stick which a runner in a race passes to the next person in the team. अगर आपने रनिंग रेस में पार्टिसिपेट की होंगी तो फिर जो भी वो जो मैराथन वगैरह होता है वहां पे क्या होता है, मतलब 2-3 जन आपस में खड़े रहते हैं, आप दौड़ दौड़ के आओगे, then you will pass that stick or that particular thing that you are handling, and then you will stop there and that second person will start running. तो फिर ये जो पास की जाती है, रिले की जाती है जो रेस में या फिर जो भी जगहों पे, मतलब आप किसी को पास कर दे रहे हो अपनी जो भी क्या आपकी जो भी एक स्टिक तरह की जो भी आप पास कर रहे हो, that is called baton. Okay, in a team where you are passing the thing that you were doing before. So the next word is brazen. Brazen is it's an adjective. It means without embarrassment, especially in a way which shocks people. ठीक है, मतलब the synonyms will be bold, immodest, impudent and impertinent, and the antonyms will be timid, shy. मतलब आप be brazen means to be bold, आप bold हो किसी भी चीज पे, आप prompt हो, ठीक है. Then the next word is pummel. Pummel is a verb. It means to strike repeatedly with the fist. मतलब मारना किसी को भी, वो भी आप मतलब हाथ को क्या अपने फिस्ट से किसी को हिट करना with your with a close hand you will hit somebody. Then the next word is bootstrap. Bootstrap is a verb. It means to get into or out of a situation using existing resources. मतलब किसी भी जो भी आपके पास जो भी resources हैं उसके हेल्प से आप किसी भी सिचुएशन से क्या कर रहे हो, बाहर निकल जा रहे हो. Then the next word is glacial. Glacial is an adjective. It means caused by ice or a glacier. आपको तो glacier पता ही होगा. Avaricious. It's an adjective. It means greedy, miserly, लालची या धन लोलुप. ठीक है, मतलब आप किसी भी चीज में greediness अपना शो कर रहे हो. खुश नहीं हो रहे हो जितना भी मिलने पर. So the synonyms will be greedy, miserly, acquisitive, while the antonyms will be unacquisitive, unreservous, and unintelligent. Then the next word is impound. Impound is a verb. It means it is used about the police, courts of law, etc. to not let somebody use something by taking it away. Confiscate मतलब किसी चीज को जब्त कर लेना, सीज कर ले रहे हो आप. थ्रू what? थ्रू a police or through court of law आप किसी भी चीज को अगर जब्त कर ले रहे हो, then it is the term is used. Then the last word is pristine. Pristine is an adjective. It means extremely fresh and clean as if new. In a very good condition. मतलब किसी भी चीज जो कि पूरा नया दिख रहा है, which is in a very good condition. So the synonyms for pristine will be fresh, brand new, unblemished, while the antonyms will be blemished, broken, and damaged. Let's move to the next page. So here the first word is skirmish. Skirmish is a noun. It means a short fight between group of people. क्या होता है, मतलब दो ग्रुप है जहाँ की एक छोटी छोटी मोटी झगड़ा चल रही है, छोटी मोटी फाइट चल रही है between those two groups is called skirmish. So the synonyms for skirmish will be fight, battle, clash, conflict, while the antonyms will be concord, peace, suspension of hostilities. Then the next word is confrontation. Confrontation is a noun. Tion है, so it is used as a noun. It means a fight or an argument. ठीक है, a fight है या फिर झगड़ा कर रहे हैं या फिर argue कर रहे हैं. So the synonyms will be contest, encounter, tangle, while the antonyms will be calm, peace, agreement. Then the next word is conflagration. It's a noun. It means a large fire which burns a lot of buildings, land, forest, etc. मतलब जो भी एक क्या गोला बारूद वो सब करना या फिर गोलियां चलाना, that is where there is a loss of land or forest, जो भी habitats में कुछ losses आ रही हैं. So the synonyms will be fire, blaze, flames, inferno, and the antonyms will be extinction, smolder, quenching. Then the next word is bonhomie. Bonhomie is a noun. It means cheerful friendliness or geniality. Okay, so the synonyms for bonhomie will be amiability and sociability, while the antonyms will be coldness, antipathy, and hatred. Then the next word is fascicle. It's an adjective. It means relating to or assembling fires, especially because of absurd or ridiculous aspects. So synonyms for fascial will be ridiculous, absurd, laughable, silly. Fascial मतलब जो भी कुछ चीज जो कि strange है, ridiculous है. And the antonyms will be grave, serious, solemn, and dismal. Then the next word is tribalism. It's a noun. It means the behavior and attitudes that stem from strong loyalty to one's own tribe or social group. जो भी behavior है या फिर attitude है, that is that a particular tribe or a particular social group that owns. So the synonym will be love, respect, admiration, reverence, while the antonyms will be hatred, contempt, disgust, and repulsion. Then the next word is bane. Bane is a noun. It means a cause of great distress or annoyance. Something especially poison with which causes death. मतलब जो भी चीज क्या हो रही है, it is leading toward death, whether you are being poisoned or whether you are getting distressed or annoyed from something is called bane. So the synonyms for this will be ruin, death, torment, torture, while the antonyms will be fortune, pleasure, prosperity, and relief. Then the next word is naughty. Naughty is an adjective. It means extremely difficult or complex. जो भी चीज काफी ज्यादा difficult है, complex है, तो फिर हम उसे naughty कहते हैं. Knotty. So the synonyms for naughty will be knotted, lumpy, rushed, while the antonyms will be straightforward and simple. The next word is condone. It's used as a verb. It means to accept behavior that is considered morally wrong or offensive. किसी भी चीज जो कि मतलब morally wrong है या फिर जो भी behavior थोड़ा morally wrong है, but still you are accepting it, माफ कर दे रहे हो आप. So the synonyms will be disregard, take no notice of. आप उसे मतलब क्या देख के भी अनदेखा करना टाइप कर रहे हो. And the antonyms will be condemn and punish. Then the next word is oo. Oo is a noun. It means great sorrow or distress. So the synonyms will be misery, sorrow, distress, sadness, while the antonyms will be happiness, joy. Then the next word is batter. Batter is a verb. It means to strike repeatedly with hard blows. मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो, किसी भी चीज को आप strike कर रहे हो बार बार. Okay, you are thrashing or abusing or hitting somebody. So the synonyms will be to pound, thrash, abuse, and hit, while the antonyms will be fall, fail, heal, protect, or mend. Then the next word is orchestra. Orchestra is a verb. It means to plan or coordinate the elements of a situation to produce a desired effect, especially surreptitiously. So मतलब आप कुछ भी प्लान कर रहे हो और कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हो किसी भी चीज को या फिर सिचुएशन को to produce a desired मतलब result. So the synonyms will be to assemble, announce, and gather, while the antonyms will be confuse, derange, disjoint, and disturb. Then the next word is virulence. It's a noun. It means the severity or harmfulness of a disease or poison. Virulence मतलब जो भी किसी भी disease या फिर poison का जो मतलब harmfulness है, effect है उसका, उसे virulence कहते हैं. So the synonyms will be venom, poison, acrimony, malevolence, while the antonyms will be mildness, abatement, virtue, benevolence. ये malevolence है synonym और antonym है benevolence. MALEVOLENCE. Malevolence. BENEVOLENCE. Benevolence is the antonym. Then the next word is starkly. Starkly is an adverb. It means in a way that is severe or harsh in appearance or outline. So the synonyms will be severely, freely, directly, while the antonyms will be indistinct, pleasant, comfortable, and cozy. Then the last word of this page is precipitate. Precipitate is a verb. यहाँ पे t omit हो गया है. To make something especially something bad happen suddenly or sooner than it should be. मतलब किसी भी चीज जो कि होने से पहले मतलब होनी जो कि होना था वो मतलब वो सडनली हो गया है. Sooner than it should मतलब जब होना चाहिए था उससे पहले ही वो अकर हो जाना. So it means to trigger, accelerate. The synonyms will be trigger, accelerate, expedite, and advance, while the antonyms will be disrupt, reduce, magnify, and restrain. Then the next word is undergird. Undergird is a verb. It means to secure or fasten from the underside, especially by a rope or chain passed underneath. तो फिर क्या कर रहे हो आप, किसी भी चीज को नीचे से आप उसे मतलब क्या मतलब सिक्योर करने के लिए, फास्टन करने के लिए आप क्या कर रहे हो, एक रोप या फिर चेन की हेल्प से आप उसे बांध दे रहे हो. So the synonyms will be uphold, hold, reinforce, and sustain, and the antonyms will be drop, fall, contradict, and neglect. Then the next word is effusive. Effusive is an adjective. It means showing or expressing gratitude, pleasure, or approval in an अनरेस्ट्रेंड और हार्टफेल्ट मैनर. अब किसी भी मतलब आप जो एक्सप्रेशन या ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखा रहे हो इट इज और अप्रूवल दिखा रहे हो इट इज you are showing it in a heartfelt manner, in a happy way. So the synonyms will be gushy, unreserved, extravagant, and full show, while the antonyms will be restrained and reserved. Then the next word is loom. Loom is a verb. It means to appear as a vague form, especially on that is a लार्ज और थ्रेटनिंग. मतलब जो भी बहुत बड़ा है, जो भी थ्रेटनिंग आपको थ्रेट कर रहा है. सो द सिनोनिम्स फॉर लूम विल बी इमर्ज, appear, materialize, come to light, while the antonyms will be dwindle, pale, recede, fade, and vanish. And the next word is visceral. Visceral is an adjective. It means relating to deep inward feeling rather than to intellect. Okay, जो भी feeling है, you are relating to something that is deep inside your heart rather than any intellectual feeling. So the synonyms will be instinctive, innate, instinctual, and deep down, while the antonyms will be logical. Then the next word is hasten. Hasten is a verb. It means to be quick to do something. You are quick in doing something. Means you are quicker. So the synonyms will be hurry, quicken, rush, speed, while the antonyms will be retard, impede, obstruct, demure. Then the next word is penchant. Penchant is a noun. It means a strong or habitual liking for something or tendency to do something. किसी भी चीज या फिर स्ट्रॉन्ग और हैबिचुअल लाइकिंग है आपको, या फिर आप किसी भी means you are showing a strong or habitual liking or tendency towards something. Then the synonyms for this will be liking, relish, appetite, partiality, while the antonyms will be antipathy, dislike, hate, and hatred. Then the next word is chutzpah. As I told you in on 29th, as we read the editorial, I said that this word will be pronounced as Hutzpa, chutzpah. Okay, so it's a noun, and it means extreme self-confidence or audacity. Means you are showing, you are being bold in something. Okay, so the synonyms will be boldness, self-confidence, guts, while the antonyms will be modesty, shyness, timidness, and hesitancy. Next word is substantive. Substantive. It's an adjective. It means having a firm basis in reality and show important, meaningful, or considerable. So the synonyms for substantive are significant, essential, real, satisfying, while the antonyms will be unessential, meaningless, inessential. तो स्टूडेंट मतलब जो भी significant है, essential है, satisfying है, while then the next word is convergences. Convergences is a noun. It means two or more things coming together. You might have, if you have read geography, you must have heard this two terms, convergence and divergence, where convergence is moving towards each other in a uniform manner, while divergence means repelling and moving in a opposite manner, in an opposite way. So here convergence means two or more things coming together or having same opinion or interest. So the synonyms मतलब सम्मिलन होना. So the synonyms for convergences will be merging, connection, convergency, while the antonyms will be divergence, disband, and disperse. The next word is divergences. As I said, it means having a different opinion, having different interest. So the synonyms will be separation, dividing, parting, and bifurcation, while the antonyms will be agreement, similarity, likeness, and accord. Then the next word is embolden. Embolden is a noun. It means to give the courage or confidence to something. कि आप किसी को प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हो, आप उसे courage या फिर confidence दे रहे हो. So the synonyms for embolden will be encourage, hearten, strengthen, while the antonyms will be dishearten and discourage. Tiptoe. Tiptoe is a verb. So it means to walk on your toes with your heels off the ground. मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप अपने toe पे चल रहे हो without touching your heels off the ground, on the ground. But here in, and the another meaning for tiptoe is being careful or avoiding a discussion or dealing. So the synonyms for tiptoe will be cautiously, quietly, warily, and the antonyms will be noisy. Then the next word is rebuttal. Rebuttal is a verb. It means appear as a vague form, especially one that is large or threatening. जो भी, which is where it here the meaning is something different. It means to disapprove. You're disapproving. You're denying something. So the synonyms for rebuttal will be denial, countering, negation, and contradiction, while the antonyms will be confirmation and evidence. And the next word is grapple. Grapple is a verb. It means to hold, to get hold of somebody or something and fight with or try to control him or her. क्या कर रहे हो, उसे बस में करना चाह रहे हो, चाह रहे हो कि आप जैसे चाह रहे हो उस तरह से वो act करे. So it means to hold somebody, or it means you're trying to control, have your control upon somebody. So the synonyms for grapple will be tussle, wrestle, and struggle, while the antonyms will be reject, harmony, and liberate. Then the next word is chug. Chug is a verb. It means to move slowly, making regular muffled explosive sounds. आप जब move कर रहे हो, there are some muffling explosive sounds coming out of it. So the synonyms will be creep, crawl, and the antonyms will be linger, ascend, ride. Then let's move to the next slide. The word is frenetic. Frenetic, it's an adjective. इसका मतलब fast and energetic in a rather wild and uncontrolled way. So the synonyms for frenetic will be wild, hectic, manic, and intense, and the antonyms will be calm, quiet, serene, and tranquil. Then the next word is inoculation. Inoculation, ये क्या है? TION है, so it will be used as a noun. The action of inoculation or of being inoculated, vaccination means आपको vaccinate की जा रही है, so the term is used as action where you are being vaccinated or vaccination. So the synonyms for inoculation will be immunization, vaccination, injection, and the antonyms will be unteach, divest, and prune. And the next word is cohort. Cohort is a noun. It means a group of people with a shared characteristics. मतलब जो भी एक group है या फिर team है, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They're resembling a similar characteristics. So the synonyms will be adversary, antagonist, attacker, while the antonyms will be outfit, force, army, and division. Then the next word is requisite. Requisite is an adjective. It means something which is made necessary by particular circumstances or regulation. आप किसी भी चीज की particular circumstances में मतलब आप क्या हो गया है, आप उसे use करते करते you have been habituated by it. So the synonyms will be necessary, required, essential, and vital, while the antonyms will be optional, unnecessary, non-essential. Then the next word is boasting. Boasting is a noun. To speak with excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's achievements, possession और abilities. मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप प्राइड शो कर रहे हो, सेल्फ सेटिस्फिकेशन दिखा रहे हो अपने अचीवमेंट्स, पोजीशन या एबिलिटीज को लेके. मींस इन ए बोस्टफुल मैनर, मतलब बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना, या फिर यू आर शोइंग प्राइड टुवर्ड्स the thing that you possess. So the synonyms for boasting will be show off, swagger, gloat, while the antonyms will be belittle, deprecate. Then the last word is emulate. Emulate is a verb. It means to copy, reproduce, mirror or imitate. आप किसी भी चीज को imitate कर रहे हो, means आप उसका नकल करना, नकल कर रहे हो. Then the next word is block. Block is it's a noun, means a group of countries or political parties with common interest. जो भी एक political parties हैं या फिर एक group है country के, they are showing a common interest towards something. Then the next word is interregnum. It is a noun. It means a period when a country or organization does not have any leader. Means जबकि एक ऐसा पीरियड जहाँ की एक कंट्री में कोई या फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या है, कोई लीडर नहीं है. देयर इज नो वन टू लीड. Then the next word is oust. Oust is a verb. It means to force somebody out of a job or position of power. मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो, उसे जबरदस्ती किसी भी जॉब या फिर पोजीशन से पावर दिखा के आप हटा दे रहे हो. And the next one is abandon. Abandon means to leave, or desert means to leave a place and go somewhere else. Then the next word is infighting. Infighting is a noun. It means hidden conflict or competitiveness with an organization. अब क्या भी जो भी है competitiveness है या फिर conflict है, that is hidden. Then the next word is impasse. Impasse is a verb. It means a difficult situation in which no progress can be made because the people involved cannot agree what to do. मतलब a situation where there is no progress is being, मतलब कोई भी progress नहीं हो रही है because the people who are involved in that are not agreeing about the thing it should be thing need to be done. So आप नॉलेजेस से जुड़े. आरआरबी स्केल के न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट हो गए हैं. आपके सुबह 7 बजे क्लास रहती हैं, बहुत टाइम पे क्लास रहती है, बहुत सारे टाइम पे लाइव क्लासेस रहती हैं. आप ऐप भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और आप फेसबुक में हमें फॉलो करें. और जो भी आपको स्टडी मटेरियल्स, आर्टिकल्स और पीडीएफ्स और कोर्स बुक्स जो भी रिलेटेड आपकी क्वेरी हैं, आप नॉलेजिस्ट के जो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है वहां पे आप ज्वाइन हो जाएं और वहां से अपनी जो भी मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं आप वहां से आपको वहीं पे मिल जाएंगी. आपको लाइव रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस मिल रही हैं, टेस्ट सीरीज भी मिल रही हैं आपको. So thank you. Do like the video and kindly subscribe this channel. आप Facebook में हमें फॉलो करें, टेलीग्राम में आप ज्वाइन हो जाएं और यूट्यूब के ये जो चैनल है आप इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और शेयर करें इस वीडियो को. थैंक यू. हैव ए गुड डे.